make very round style. Yes. Yeah. Bitches. No, just kidding.
อุดมสมบูรณ์ป่าดงพงไทยลำไรป่าเขียว ตอนนี้ก็กำลังจะไปขี่สลิงต่อก็ขี่มาหลายเส้นละเดี๋ยวนี้กำลังเดินทางไปหาเส้นถัดไปแล้วก็จะกลับไปกินข้าวสวยอยู่หาต้นไม้คือเก่า
No. No. Now.
What's it?
Now.
Oh, snail.
Oh, the one guy.
You can eat it?
Yeah, edible. You want? We can take it to make a barbecue.
You first, you first.
Hungry
No,
right
not the
now.
raw one. We have to cook it.
That's like sushi.
โอ้ตัวพวกนี้เห็นบ่
Oh, why do I compare?
In Belgium, it's like really they say it, a luxury.
Wow.
No, I'm not joking. For real.
Really?
Rich people eat snails. What's it?
Yeah, in Laos we call it rare food.
Rare food.
Rare food. Yeah, because it's like once a year.
It's snails.
Yeah, the snail. But eatable one, not the
ฮอดละสายสลิง
not the
เดี๋ยวจะ
poison
ขี่สลิงข้ามห้วยตัวนี้
This one also eatable and quite rare to have.
And you don't take it with you.